very tough from here.
Absolutely, Ajay. I mean, the way Saqib and Jay has given the start for the Mumbai Heroes, I think Varun and the owner Sohail Khan been happy faces. You all see that.
Oh, that's played in the air. Man coming underneath. Oh, that's taken. That's a beauty. That's very nicely taken. The ball was dipping. Not an easy catch to take. Keeping his eyes on the ball, keeping his composure. They can't believe it. But the Bulldozers' flags are waving at the moment. And that's an important wicket. That's exactly what they wanted. This is what the doctor ordered for them. Taking a wicket at this stage. Saqib the man out.
Absolutely. I did mention that before. Tarun bowled couple of balls, dot balls, create a pressure, and he got a wicket here. Tarun, much needed breakthrough from Bulldozers, and Ardi Chabriya, she couldn't believe it.
Yeah, that expression tells the story. Pradeep taking a very good catch. Saleem out for 30. It's 77 for 1. So new batsman coming in, Sharad Kelkar. Again, a good striker. He's a powerful man. You can see those big muscles of his, those biceps. And headed up. They're sending those strikers up early. Sharad Kelkar, another man who can really tonk the ball hard. At the moment, it's going to be Jay on strike. The chain ends when the ball was in the air. So last ball coming up of the 6th over. Oh, that's back. Once again, the same fielder coming in. This time, the ball just dropping short. Will pick up 1 run. Lucky there for Jay. 78 for 1. Bulldozers, they lost the game yesterday as well. Not going right for this team this season. Kichcha just having a word with his bowler, Chandan. Conceded 10 runs in his opening over, Chandan.
But Ajay, if you look at the way Karnataka Bulldozers has approached to this format, I think they need to get used very quickly, whereas otherwise they're left behind. That's another chance of a wicket here. Taken! Absolutely! From Digant. It's a much needed breakthrough from Chandan. Mumbai Heroes lose their second wicket. Set batsman gone.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल ये समस्या है कि दोनों सेट बैट्समैन आउट हो गए लगातार बड़े शॉट के लिए गए थे ऑफ साइड पे बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच आसान नहीं है गेंद स्वर्ल करती है और कंधे के पीछे जा रही थी एक और सफलता मिलती हुई यहाँ पे बुलडोजर्स को चंदन को मिलती हुई उनकी पहली विकेट और वापस जाना होगा जय भानुशाली को बेहतरीन पारी 39 रन बनाए 78 पे 2